Welcome to another of my videos. Today we have the Swedish, I think, call it, I'm gonna kill this, TRÅDFRI. And here in UK we call it Tradfri. And it's kinda, ironic that this has so much packaging in it. I mean, look at this. So much plastic, so much, paper that was wasted for a six pound button. But yeah, let's have a look at it. Anyway, I do have another one here. It comes with some really nice stickers that you cleverly put into underneath a cover of the switch. So depending on what you want to do with it, you can probably, let's see if this comes off. Oh no, not this way. This way maybe. You put the sticker underneath and you put this on top, and there you go. You have a switch that you can use. It's a Zigbee switch, by the way. The whole body actually moves with the sensor. But anyway, let's check it out. Let's see how we can open this. Standard CR2032 battery, made in China, of course. Type E1812. So let's have a quick look. This is the lid. This is the bottom of the sensor. Pairing button. So let's see how to open this. I believe there's nothing underneath this really nice plastic. It makes it non-slip. So nothing. Oh, this one promises some. Come on. Oh, there you go. Okay. So what's really interesting is the metal tactile button, which is a good quality switch. Means it's gonna last long. How do we get this off? Press it? No. Maybe here. Oh, there you go. That's it. It has no springs. It actually uses that soft rubber and to bounce back up. So 4 points that actually help the switch go up. And there is only a center switch, as I can see. Let's take it out. Okay. Yep. How do we take this board off? There are some points here. That's the pairing button. That's made of plastic, the center post, but that's fine. I mean, you're not pressing this all the time. This is not continuous use for this. You only pair it once and that's it. By the way, in Home Assistant, this works really well. I mean, it gets discovered by Zigbee Home Automation, probably also Deacons, but I haven't tried it. And this is the PCB antenna. I hope you can see it. It comes through here. I don't know what chip this is. Maybe I have to have a look. Closer? No. Let me have a look. Quick look. I'm not sure what it is. I think it's Silicon Labs, but I will update it in the description later. Let's see, what else? Well, it's pretty simple. And, a battery, That's it, basically. A battery and the switch and the Zigbee chip. That's all there is to it. There is an LED for pairing, and that's about it. As you can see, there is a programming header on this one too. Yeah. Well, the board quality is fine. I think it's a 1mm board. For £6, you cannot. I don't think you can get a cheaper switch than this. A Zigbee switch that's so cheap. It looks okay. Quality is really good too. That's fantastic. Yeah, that's it. The Tradfri IKEA switch. £6 on IKEA. Nothing else. Zigbee home automation. You can have 3 functions with it: one click, double click, and push and hold. And that's about it. You can do your automations in Zigbee Home Assistant. It's not particularly waterproof. It's for indoor use anyway. But it looks okay. Thank you for watching.